Hello everyone, this is Team Red Wings and we welcome you all to our Phase 3 Progress Submission video presentation. The problem set that we are working on is data analysis software for financial frauds. That is our problem set number 7. Over here we are going to design and implement advanced financial data analysis software to analyze and process financial data from various sources that includes transaction records, trading activities, and customer behaviors. The goal is to identify potential fraudulent activities, and for this purpose, we are going to use various machine learning algorithms. So, coming to our team, this is me, Mohammad Ashhar, the team lead for Red Wings, and I would like to introduce you to all the three members, starting with Abhirajkar, Puneet, Prashar, and Deepank Singh. Now, I would like to request Abhirajkar to introduce himself.
Hello everyone, myself Abhirajkar, and I have expertise in full stack development. I'm contributing in this project as a full stack developer. I'm basically working on logic part in React.js, and also I am working on integrating frontend and backend of our web app. And I'm also working on integrating ML model to our backend, which is of course the backbone of our project. Thank you. Over to you,
Good evening,
Puneet.
everyone. Myself Puneet Parashar, and I am a third year BTech student currently pursuing my BTech in Mathematics Computech at Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. With regards to this project, I'll be handling the ML part, which is obviously the most important thing responsible for analysis of any financial fraud which occurs. Hence, in this project, I am handling the ML part. Now, I would request Deepank to continue.
Hello everyone, myself Deepank Singh. I am a pre-final year student at RJPT. I am handling the backend of this project, which would involve the integration of ML model and database handling.
So this is all for our introduction part. Now coming to the problem statement, I would like to present you the workflow that we'll be going to follow for the entire prototype that we're designing. So I'm sharing my screen for that. Okay. So over here we'll be having a login page over where the authorized person can only log in with suitable credentials. On successful login, he or she will be directed to a main dashboard page. Over here we'll be having an option for payment method. Upon selecting a particular payment method, let's suppose we're selecting UPI payment for the purpose, for the sake of simplicity. Over here, we'll be having a visualization tools that will help us to visualize the transactions in form of pie charts, bar graphs, etc. And over here, we'll be having a transactional log section over which we'll be having various log activities. Example, transaction amount, transaction time, from where it has been and from where it has been sent, all that details, account with bank account details, obviously. Now coming to the next point, we'll be having a suspicious activity section over here, clicking to which a new page will pop up. Over here, we'll be having two cards over here. The first card would be of potential fraud accounts, and the second will be of confirmed accounts. So basically the potential fraud accounts page will be having those accounts or those fraudulent accounts that we have detected either by the output of ML model that we are training, that we're getting output from, or either they have incomplete KYC or a non-home branch transaction, or they're having multiple accounts on the same number. So over here, there's a twist that this section of potential fraud accounts, the official has to decide it manually whether that particular account is fraud or not by selecting a yes or no button. If he selects yes, so that account will be flagged as a confirmed account and it will be stored in our database as a confirmed fake account. So by this, we'll be storing the confirmed fake accounts in our database, and if further transactions are being made to this account or from this account, so that transaction will be flagged as suspicious account, flagged as a confirmed fake account, and no further transactions will be held from that account. So this was all about the workflow. So I'd like to present you the prototype that we have built so far. Coming to the prototype, this is a login page for the authorized person. Let's suppose I have put my name as a username and password, a random password right now. So yeah, so this is our main dashboard page. Over here, we're having various options of various payment methods. First, let's suppose we have taken ATM for a purpose. We're still working on the graph section, so that's why the graph section is not made yet. But over here, we're having the account transaction logs. Over here, we can see there are transaction ID, sender account, receiver account, time, date, place, method of transaction, status, and is suspicious or not. So over here, account has been made suspicious. So let's see the suspicious activity section. Over here, we're having two uh, cards over here. The first one is of suspicious fake accounts, and second one is of confirmed fake accounts. So over here, suspicious fake accounts, as I said you in my charts, that this over here will be having the authorized user has to do it manually. That person's or name is so and so, account number so has been detected by our model as suspicious, so whether to do it, add it as a fake account or not. So that we have to do it manually. And over here we'll be having a fake account sections over which we're having the account number only that have been detected as fake. So yeah, this is all from our side. So I would like now Puneet to show how the ML model is working and how we are going with what all accuracies and precision. Over to you, Puneet.
So now I'd like to present the ML algorithm which we have used. I'll be sharing my screen. So in this project, we are provided with some data which includes customer profiles, fraudulent patterns, merchant information, transaction amounts, and transaction data. Using this data, I have made an ML model which finds out which predicts whether the transaction which happened, is it legit or is it a fraudulent activity. So initially, we have taken the input using the sklearn, the pandas library and other libraries, as the entire ML model is made from Python. We have merged these data sets so that it can be used as a whole data in whenever required. Later, as we know that the most important part in ML algorithm is choosing the right algorithm. So in this, we have used random forest classifier. The data has been balanced, as imbalanced data would lead unfruitful results at the end. We can find out that there are two classes which are 0 and 1. The class 0 is 955 times present, whereas the class 1 is 45 times present. Hence, the data is unbalanced. We balance this data, and now using the balanced data, we will we will be using the random forest classifier. We have built the model of random forest classifier, as it was providing the highest accuracy as compared to other classification methods. We can later see that the accuracy comes out to be 94%, which is sort of promising in a case where the data is a huge, as we have been provided with the data with various type of data. Later, in order to find out the outliers, we have used isolation forest, and using this, we are able to find out the outliers. And SMOT, when it comes to SMOT, it is used basically for balancing of data, so that the same thing, that it doesn't really, the unbalanced data doesn't affect our model. Hence, using random forest classifier and isolation forest outliers, we have been able to build a model which is providing 94% accuracy, which is promising. And later, we'll be making a few upgradations of the feature so that the ML model is more applicable in the real world.
So yeah, that was all from our side with regards to the ML part and the front-end part that we have made till now. But in regard to the demand for the problem statement, we are still in process of making the three more steps to add into our prototype. These 3 points are to build an alert system for quick response. Over here, what we'll be doing is we'll be trying to set up an alert system that will trigger in real time when a potential fraud is detected. Actually, this is the first thing that we're going to apply to our prototype. The second thing is to make a web extension for customer notifications. So over here, we'll be trying to build a web extension on which using which the customers can avoid or can get an alert if he or she is doing transaction to an account that has been flagged as fraud. So it will help to reduce the fraudulent activities. And the third thing, we'll try to integrate tower location. In that, we'll be trying to we'll try to improve or enhance the CDR analysis, that is call duration record analysis, by integrating tower location data into our prototype. So yeah, this is all from from our side, that is Team Red Wings, and we are eager to participate in this hackathon and uh, achieve great success in it. Thank you.